Here is the Subaru Outback. Let's go ahead and open up the hatch. Now we need to get this light out of the body in order to access the bulb. So we need to get this plastic piece out. For that we need to get out these two pins. Get a Phillips head screwdriver and unscrew the middle part of the pin, and then grab the entire pin and pull it out. If the middle part is not coming out, press down on the outside part of the pin with your thumb and then unscrew it. This will help you get the middle part out. Get this clip out and now push on this plastic piece. It'll open up a little gap over there. Get a flathead screwdriver and right inside there, and now we will get this piece out. It's kind of tricky, so just follow along as I'm doing. Just follow my hand actions. Pry it out and you push it and you pull it out. There are two clips in the back which hold it in place. Now we need to get a 10mm socket ratchet combination to get those two bolts out. Let's go ahead and get those bolts out completely and set them aside. Now grab the light and rock it loose, and now from the side just push it to the back of the car and the light will pop right out. Grab the bulb holder and twist it left and out it comes. To get the bulb out, just grab the bulb and pull it out straight. The bulb number is 194. Check the link in description to buy the new bulb from Amazon. Let's go ahead, get the new bulb, and then simply push it down back into the bulb holder to secure it. And now it's secured. Now when you put the bulb holder back in the light, you have to make sure that it just sits in right. You may have to do some twisting and turning before it just drops in like this. At this point, just twist your right to lock it and you're done. Now let's put this light back in the body, get it in position, and when you're pushing it inside the body, just keep some pressure on the front edge, so that way the light doesn't stick out of the body, like actually goes into the alignment pins. And there's one more alignment pin right over here. Make sure that goes in the hole over there as well. So that's in place. This is not sticking out. Now let's give it one final push. Now let's put those bolts back in first, and then let's just tighten them down. Now get that plastic piece and let's put this in place. Get this edge in first, and then push it down and then press it to lock it in place. Good. Now let's get those two clips. Make sure the middle part of that clip is pulled out before you put it back in. And once it's in place, just push the middle part in and you are done. And that is pretty much it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.